Preparing the rennet. Measure out 1/4 cup of water, add 1/4 of a rennet tablet, and stir until rennet is dissolved. Preparing the citric acid. Measure out 1 cup of water and stir in 1½ teaspoons of citric acid. Pour 1 gallon of milk into the large pan. Add the citric acid solution and stir. Set the pot over medium heat and warm until it's 90 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring gently. Remove the pot from heat and gently stir in the rennet solution. Count to 30. Stop stirring, cover the pot, and let it sit undisturbed for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the milk should have set, and it should look and feel like tofu. If it is still liquidy, recover the pot and let it sit for another 5 minutes. Once the milk has set, cut it into uniform curds. Make several parallel cuts vertically through the curds and then several parallel cuts horizontally, creating a grid-like pattern. Make sure your knife reaches all the way to the bottom of the pan. Stir slowly as the curds warm, but try not to break them up too much. The curds will eventually clump together and separate more completely from the yellow whey. Place the pot back on the stove over medium heat and warm the curds to 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the curds reach a temperature of 105 degrees Fahrenheit, remove the pan from heat and continue stirring gently for another 5 minutes.
You mustn't forget to add the love.
Ladle the curds into a microwave-safe bowl with a slotted spoon. The chemistry behind cheese making is quite simple. Dairy products such as milk and cream contain the proteins casein and whey, both essential proteins for making cheese. Heat and acids create chemical reactions forming the cheese curds. The curds form when the casein gathers in clumps called micelles. Acids help the micelles form because they neutralize the negative charge on the casein molecule. Acids are essential for making cheese because without them to neutralize the negative charge, the micelles will not form and there will be no curds. While the acids neutralize the casein, the heat causes the whey to lose its normal shape. When this happens, the proteins gather around the clumps of casein, also promoting the production of curds. Microwave the curds for 1 minute. Then drain off the excess whey. Put on your rubber gloves and fold the curds over themselves a few times. At this point, the curds will still be very loose and look similar to cottage cheese. Continue this process until you've fully drained out the excess whey. Congratulations! You've now made your very own cheese.
There is no exact information regarding the exact origin of cheese. Pizza Hut is the largest consumer of cheese. There are over 2,000 varieties of cheese. Cheese production around the globe is more than the combined worldwide production of coffee, tobacco, tea, and cocoa beans. Pilgrims brought cheese over on the Mayflower. Cheese helps protect tooth enamel. The US supplies 25% of world cheese, 9 billion pounds of cheese each year.